Today I would like to share you one amazing apps. With this one, it allows you to download any wallpaper for the Apple device. Let's say you want to download the wallpaper for the iPhone SE 2022, and you can go ahead and download from this app, including the iPhone 13, 13 Pro or 13 Pro Max. All of those wallpaper are available in one place. Right here you also have a MacBook wallpaper, or you can also get the iPad mini set wallpaper as well, including the iOS15 stock wallpaper. So all of them are combined in one place, and this app is very awesome. It is called Wallpaper Central. All you have to do is just go ahead and go into the App Store, then download Wallpaper Central. It is free and it has 4.7 star rate. Now let me go ahead and open the app real quick, and let's say I want to download the wallpaper for the iPhone 13. I can go ahead and tap on it, and then you can see it bring a bunch of iPhone 13 wallpaper. It is very awesome. Now let's say I want to download this one, and then I can go ahead and click on the download button, and it will be saved into my camera roll. It is very simple and very quick. And now let's try for the iPad mini search. This one. I can go ahead and save the wallpaper, or I can preview on my iPhone as well. You can see it look very awesome. You can preview before you download to see whether you like it or not. And thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. Then I will see you guys in the next one.